Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this 2-pack digital tire pressure gauge. So this one is made by AstroAI. So this one looks like an A. So AstroAI. So this can be used at up to 150 psi. So really high pressure. So on the side of the box, you can see here EC battery replacement. Then 4 units. 4 units meaning it's here, it's written here, so we can use at psi, bar, kilopascal, and kilograms per square centimeters. Okay, so also the specs here, and using coin cell. Okay, so LCD and light at night as well. So I'll open this now so you can see what's inside the box. So I haven't seen this one as well, so first time opening. So there's like let me see. Let's remove this one first. Okay. Then some manuals. Okay. So there's only one. What's this? For measuring. Okay. So probably this one is attached here. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll just open this one. Just remove the plastic. Okay. So I really don't know what is this one. Then can remove the this paper for the battery. Maybe just open this one. So we have 3 probably LR44 batteries. Can just remove this one. See, it's lighting up. Then there's a digital display. Just remove the dirt from there. Okay, so I will try this one in my car. Maybe probably just press the button to change the unit. Right now it is set to psi. So now it's changing to bar, kilopascal, and kilogram per square centimeters. So I just use psi and use in my car. Try to measure the pressure of this tire. Okay, now it's 0 psi. So it's showing 35.1. Try again. $35.1. Okay, so to check the other units, 2.41 bar, then 241 kilopascal, and 2.46 kilogram per centimeter squared. Back to psi. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.